Guys, today I like to show you how to upload a YouTube videos and get more successful in your YouTube channel from your phone. Okay, it's very simple, and you can see the top right corner and your upload some video icon like that. So click that, and it will load video somewhere. So it will you can click it, and so take some clicks a video. It's a random, choose a video, and it will ask for first time. If you going for ask for means whether you shall choose the create a channel. So choose the create channel correctly, so you can change later also. So first choose wisely, then I have to choose. Okay, then the channel is created. Yeah, good. And it also showing some video. This is zombie video only. Okay, done. So you can give the phone video editing software. So you can click the right corner of the editing tool. So I'm choosing the best. Can choose the best icon and give the title for the sleeping trouble. So this description is what kind of can give. Okay, just give the locations. So choose whether it's where can I give. You can also give whatever it's a current location or any other locations. So I'm going. Yeah. Okay, so whatever it is, then click the send button right after there. Then it will show. It will now it's uploading. Okay, this is how video is uploaded to the YouTube channel. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, means click subscribe and like.